Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to complete and submit BioFoodTech Lab sample submission form to ensure your samples are processed smoothly and without delay. Step 1. Begin by completing the client information section. Enter your company name in the client name field. List the names of all individuals who should receive the final lab report. Enter their email addresses in the email field provided. If you have a BioFoodTech client PO number, please include it. If you are working under an existing BioFoodTech project number, you may enter it as well. If you don't have either, simply leave those fields blank. Step 2. Now in this next section, clearly list the sample identification or description for each sample you are submitting. Select the test you would like performed by checking the appropriate boxes. If the test you need is not listed, you may write it in the two blank fields located in the top right section of the form. Step 3. Once the form is complete, follow these final steps to ensure everything is ready for submission. Download and save a copy for your records. Be sure to sign the form in the designated area before submitting. Give us notice before sending or dropping off your samples. Print the form and either bring it with you when dropping off your samples, or include it inside your package if you are shipping samples, or email it to us when providing notice. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the BioFoodTech Lab team at microlab@biofoodtech.ca. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and look forward to processing your samples.